And now, if you guys would like to go ahead and sell more art, you can go ahead and sell your art and you can add new work. And let's go over on how to create our t-shirt design, the one that we have downloaded using Canva. And let's leverage that now to make some passive income. So I believe this is the profile. Oops, this is the keep going one. Let's replace this. One moment, guys. I'll have to unzip that file. We'll go ahead and replace, and we'll go ahead and upload the design that we'd like on our t-shirt. Perfect, guys. So let's go ahead and insert our title in, and then use best-selling Be Strong t-shirt. In tags, we'll put in Be Strong, motivation. Tags are something that you can relate to by looking at the image, and tags also attract customers. Tags basically work as keywords that customers might use in their search bar to look up for products and stuff like that. So we could just put in something that will be relevant to the theme. So I feel like these three tags are relevant to the theme that we're uploading. Description, we can just put in Be Strong t-shirt. That's it, guys. So we'll go ahead and disable all the other products. If you guys like, you guys can leave on stickers and magnets. I guess this theme looks amazing on stickers and magnets. So yeah, if you guys feel like, oh, this theme already looks great on some of the products that's on Redbubble, you guys can leave it enabled. And if a customer comes across it and finds it to be their product, and that's something that they'd like to purchase, you can go ahead and always do that, meaning you just made some money off of that. So let's go ahead and edit this. What I would like to do is change the background of this front. Change the background to black. That way it matches with the background. And essential t-shirt. We'll align it. And that's it. Apply changes. We'll go ahead here again, and we'll go ahead and set our default products to t-shirt. And no mature content. Design. And that's it, guys.